Continuing from yesterday. Yesterday we used the percent proportion. Is over of equals your percent over your 100. So, number 13. What number is 6.1% of 60? Carl, what is the very first thing we're going to sub in? 6.1%. Anytime you have a percent, put that in first. It will make your life so much easier. 6.1%. And then where does my 60 go, Adam? On the of, very good, because it says of 60. So we put 60 down here. Now we've got a proportion, cross multiply and divide. 60 times 6.1 divided by 100. Cheyenne is what? What was it? 4? Was it exactly 4? 3.6 something? Okay. Right about 3.6. 3.66 maybe?
Yeah.
Okay, 3.66. Now, today, we are changing that is over of equals percent over 100 to change over original equals percent over 100. So we've got is over of equals percent over 100. Today, change over original equals percent over 100. What we are finding is percent change. Percent change. What is the percent change? Anybody like shopping and finding deals? I don't like shopping, but when I have to shop, I really like finding deals, okay? Especially on my house stuff right now. I am all about finding deals on my house stuff. And this shows me how much I am actually going to save. Change over original equals percent over 100. Percent change. Now, I will tell you, this is going to be all over your test. This is going to be all over the I-step. This is kind of one of the favorite things of test makers to put on the test. Change over original. Everybody on your whiteboard, write this down. Change over original equals percent over 100. Now, in number 1, we started, the original was 4. The original is where we start. We're starting with 4, and we're going to 5. Now, be very careful about this. You're going to want to rush ahead and say, oh, this is easy, I know how to do it, and there's something you have to know, okay? There's one tricky part. One easy part, one tricky part, so make sure you pay attention. Original is 4. That's very easy to see. Original, erase it, and write a 4. Now, this is what's tricky. This is what's tricky. Change is how much it changed. Okay? How much it changed. So, Calvin, how much did I change? 1. I changed 1. 5 minus 4, I changed 1. So my change is going to be 1. So now we've got our proportion again. 100 times 1 is 100, divided by 4. What is my percent change? Alex? 25. This was a 25% change. Now, one more thing. I'm going up, right? Starting at 4, going up to 5. 2 words, increase and decrease. If I'm starting at 4, going up to 5, is that an increase or a decrease, Kyle? Increase. This is a 25% increase. All right? 25% increase. Number 2, change over original equals percent over 100. I want you to start like this. If you only put C and O, that's fine. As long as you remember it is change over original equals percent over 100. But everybody should have this down. C over O equals percent over 100. Now, our original price was 1.0. So put in there 1.0. Next, the new price is 1.3. So how much did I change? How much did I change? Kenny? 0.3. So erase your C and write a 0.3. 0.3 times 100 divided by 1. This should be very easy to do even without out a calculator. All right, 0.3 times 100. Slide the decimal 2 spots. 0.3 times 100 is going to be 30, and 30 divided by 1 is 30. This is 30% change, and we are going up, so this is going to be an increase. All right? Look at number 3. Change over original equals percent over 100. The original price is 15. Now, everybody notice this. Don't miss this. How much did I change? How much did I change? 3, okay? Don't, even though it's going down, don't call it negative 3. Even though I'm going down, don't call it negative 3. I changed 3. 3 over 15 equals your percent over 100. What is your percent change? Right. 3 over 50 equals percent over 100. What was my percent change? Kyle, did you have that percent? I'm sorry, Trevor, did you have that percent change? Nathan, did you have it? No, who had it? Janelle? 20%. 3 times 100 divided by 15, this is going to be 20% change. Now, this is going down, so this is going to be a 20% decrease. A 20% decrease. Let's do this. Recent developments in surgical procedures change the average healing time for some operations from 8 weeks to 3 weeks. What is the percent change? What is the percent change? Change over original equals percent over 100. Change over original equals percent over 100. What was my original time, Teresa? 8. And Zara, how much did I change?
5.
5. Make sure that you had a 5 up here. I went from 8 to 3. That is a change of 5. So Alex, what was my percent change?
62.5.
62.5%. And is this an increase or a decrease?
Increase?
I started at 8 and I went to 3. It's a decrease. 62.5% decrease. All right. Number 15. For exercises 15 and 16, refer to the rectangle shown. Suppose the width is decreased by 3 inches. All right? So, suppose that my width right here is decreased by 3 inches. Find the percent change in the perimeter. This is a challenging question. Not really a shortcut to doing this. You're going to have to do some work. You're going to have to do a couple steps. First question. What are we trying to find? It's the percent change of the what? Perimeter. How do you find the perimeter of a rectangle? How do you find the perimeter of a rectangle? Add up all the sides, right? Add up all the sides. Now, can I tell you, this is a great example of kind of an applied skills question on the I-STEP. All right? It's one that's not going to make sense at first, but if you just think about what it's asking, we can get it. The perimeter of this rectangle is 20. 6 times 2 is 12. 4 times 2 is 8. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 20. Now, we decrease our width by 3 inches. So my new width is 1 inch. 1 inch. So, my new perimeter is 14. So, percent change is change over original equals percent over 100. My original perimeter was 20. It changed by 6. 6 times 100 divided by 20 is what? You got it?
Yeah,
30%. Did you have it before I showed it?
Yeah.
Very nice. It's a 30% decrease. Who all got that? Anybody get that before I showed it? All right. Oh, you were so close. You were so close. All right. Go ahead and put your whiteboards and markers away. I do have a comment. It says, for a very brief period, medieval scientists were known to have dabbled in the merits of cardboard armor.
That does not sound good.
No, that does not sound good. That's why it was a very brief time.
Why doesn't that sound like it's going to turn out well?
Right here's your assignment. You must show a proportion on every single problem. And remember, It is change over original equals percent over 100.